Welcome back to my channel. Now I giving red color to tilaka. Now I am giving yellow color to the dhoti. If you want detailed drawing of this ganapa, please check the description. Now I giving orange color. Now I giving dark brown color to the hairs. Now I giving yellow color to the ornaments. Now I giving green and red color to hara. Now I filling body color like a peach color. Now I giving dark peach color. Now I filling modaka with golden color. Now I doing outline with the use of fine point pen number 08. Now I using fine point marker pen 02 for eyes. Now I using fine point pen number marker 1. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.